Alright guys, what's up bro? This is No Please 2. So I am here. I am gonna show you. So I had a gaming keyboard right now and I turn off my lights and yeah, it's like I gotta turn off my uh electric fan because it was too noisy. So yeah, here we come. Alright, I'm gonna begin to tap my keyboard sounds, alright? Sorry for that. Oh no, it's sticky keys guys, sorry about that. Thank you for watching, and it's no place to seriously subscribe and like and hit those notifications so you won't miss out the new videos. And also join my Discord also. I'll see you in the description. See ya.